Tips to cope with the buzzing and ringing of tinnitus. Many people assume that tinnitus is a condition they just have to live with. They just accept the ringing in their ears as a given that they have to simply endure, but this is not so. Read on into this video for tips and tricks to use in minimizing and managing this condition. To stay positive in the face of your condition, seek out a tinnitus support group. It can be difficult for people to understand what you're going through if they don't have tinnitus themselves. Talking to people who really understand your struggles can be wonderful. If there's not a support group in your area, try to find one online. Multiple studies have shown that elevated levels of blood fats may cause serious and permanent inner ear malfunction that is accompanied by ringing in the ears. Follow a diet plan that is low in fat, avoid fatty meats, cheeses, fried snacks, and over-processed baked goods. It is not enough to simply avoid trans fats. To protect the health of your ears, you should limit consumption of all kinds of fats. To reduce the inner ear noises associated with tinnitus, use masking devices commonly known as white noise devices or retraining therapy. For some people, masking devices can cover the noise in the ears, rendering it less noticeable. Retraining therapy for tinnitus involves the use of psychological counseling to aid those suffering from tinnitus to adapt to their condition. Don't let your life revolve around your tinnitus. Many patients have reported that when they first experienced tinnitus they were much more focused on it than later years when they learned to habituate and live with their condition. Tinnitus might not always have a cure, and it is important that you develop a coping method of living with this affliction. As stated earlier in this piece, a lot of sufferers of tinnitus assume there is nothing that can be done about this annoying condition. However, now that you have read these tips, you know that there are steps you can take soon for relief. Employ them in the coming days to hear a clearer future. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.